English translation 477th contact. Monday 23rd February 2009, 0037 hours.
Nice of you to come after all, Florena, dear girl. I thought that it was you when all except some of us were in meditation. We, Bridget, Marie-Louise, Michael and I were in the kitchen, and so I saw you at the kitchen window and at the kitchen door. But then you went away, opened the door to the toilet, which everyone saw, to go in and lock yourself in, which everyone also heard again. When Bridget immediately looked to see who had gone into the house, you were in one of the toilets, and then she came back into the kitchen. But then you suddenly disappeared. Greetings and welcome. But why did you not call me?
I also greet you. When I did not find you in your study, I went behind the kitchen to look for you, and there I also saw you sitting at the table and playing chess. Your partner must have been Michael. I also saw Bridget and another woman I did not know, which must have been Marie-Louise, as you called her. When you drew everyone's attention to the fact that someone was outside the window and the door, everyone looked there and probably still saw me. This confused me, so I quickly went to the other door and into the toilet when Bridget was also looking, but then left again immediately. Then I went back to my flying apparatus.
How did you get from my office to the kitchen? Ah, stupid question. You beamed there and back because we did not find any footprints in the fresh snow. There were only 2 footprints of our men going into the computer room. But why did you come here?
What you say is true. And I have come here because Ptah has instructed me to suggest that, when the parts written in English are published on the internet, I should give you a short introduction, stating that because of the poorness of the English language, the goblet of the truth cannot be translated into English to the intrinsic high value of the German language. This is a fact, as is also the case with all other earthly languages, that consequently the high value of the work can only be fully expressed and understood through the German language. Earth humans should make the German language their world language, for it is the most valuable language in use among all earthly languages.
Swiftly said, but difficult to accomplish, because everywhere in the world the lousy and poor English is used and spread, whereby especially by the USA already for about 100 years, heavy efforts exist to make the German language disappear. A language which finds no parallels in all other earthly languages regarding its whole value.
That is also what our linguists say.
Yes, but look here. This is a fax I got from Stefan. If you want to read it.
Florena reading the fax.
This is what Zaphanat Panayak is responsible for, because it is he who deals with terrestrial computer technology. But at the moment he is still absent, and it will also be some time before he returns. But when he is back, he will certainly take care of the matter.
How much longer will his absence last?
His expedition work will continue until the month of June. Then he will return from the RADERN universe, like all the others.
Ah, everyone returns. Is the expedition finished? What's new that has come up?
2 more worlds were found where early human life exists. Apart from the world we told you about, which already carries a somewhat modern human civilization according to your sense. Only 2 other worlds were found, which are inhabited by human beings and which correspond to about the same level as the first one, where we can speak of a somewhat modern civilization. A world with a high civilization, which also has advanced technology, but not yet space technology, only one was found in the explored galaxy. According to the research results, the RADERN universe is one that is in the first phase of existence of higher lifeform development.
So, there has been a lot of change since I last asked about it. But look here, you can take the fax with you, because I still have a copy of it. When Zaphanat Panich is back, he can read it and figure out what we should do.
I would like to take it with me and give it to him when he is back. It will be a great pleasure for me to see him again.
I can really feel that about you. Please give him my regards when he is back.
I will give him your greetings, which I can already do now. However, about our technical possibilities, because we are in communicative connection with the expedition participants, therefore we are always informed about their progress and successes, and can also have our personal conversations.
I find it dashing. Unfortunately, our technical possibilities here on Earth are not so extensive, and are also very susceptible to faults.
I know that, because your communication technology is only in its infancy compared to ours. But now I have to leave again and do my work. Goodbye, dear father friend. I will come and see you again sometime.
Goodbye, girl. Greet Njana, and it was a great pleasure for me that you came here again.